Welcome back to our channel, Anomic Tech Talks. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of classification algorithms. We'll be exploring powerful tools like logistic regression and decision trees, understanding their applications, and diving into the implementation and evaluation process. This video is your gateway to mastering classification algorithms, so let's jump right in. 1. Introduction to classification algorithms. Classification algorithms are the engines behind categorizing data points into distinct classes. Think of email spam filters or medical diagnosis. We'll be delving into two key algorithms, logistic regression and decision trees. Let's break them down and uncover their magic. 2. Logistic regression. Alright, imagine we have a super smart robot friend named Classifier Bot. This robot's job is to look at things and say whether they belong to a group A or a group B. Let's say we're trying to decide if a fruit is an apple or an orange. Now, Classifier Bot isn't like a regular robot. It doesn't just use one eye to see, it uses two eyes. These eyes help it look at things from different angles. It looks at the size and color of the fruit, and even how bumpy or smooth its skin is. Classifier Bot takes all this information and thinks really hard. It makes a special line in its robot brain that helps it decide if a fruit is an apple or an orange. This line isn't straight, it's a bit wiggly like a snake. When we show Classifier Bot a new fruit, it uses this wiggly line to figure out if it's more like an apple or an orange. If the fruit is on one side of the line, Classifier Bot says, apple. And if it's on the other side, it shouts, orange. So, that's like logistic regression. It's like Classifier Bot drawing a wiggly line to decide if something is more like Group A or Group B. It helps us tell things apart using a special line in its robot brain. Logistic regression is more than just linear. It's an essential algorithm for binary classification. Let's see how it works with Python. Import logistic regression using scikit-learn library, load the dataset and fit the model. Logistic regression can predict the probability of a data point belonging to a particular class. 3. Decision trees. Alright, imagine we're playing a game with a magical friend named Tree Finder. This friend loves helping us figure out things by asking yes or no questions. Let's say we have a bunch of animals, and we want to know if they're fluffy or not fluffy. Tree Finder starts by asking, does the animal have fur? If we say yes, Tree Finder moves to the next question. If we say no, it goes to a different question. Next, Tree Finder asks, does the animal say meow? If we say yes, it might think the animal is fluffy like a cat. But if we say no, it might think the animal is not fluffy, like a fish. Tree finder keeps asking questions and moving along different paths, like a magical maze. Eventually, it reaches the end and decides whether the animal is fluffy or not fluffy based on our answers. So, decision trees are like tree finder's magical game. It helps us decide things by asking questions and following paths until it figures out the answer. Just like a magical friend with lots of questions, decision trees help us make choices by asking yes or no questions too. Decision trees create a tree-like structure to classify data points. Python makes it easy. Import decision tree classifier from scikit-learn library, fit the model on training dataset. Decision trees make complex decisions by breaking them down into simpler ones. 4. Evaluating. Implementation is just the beginning. Evaluating our model's performance is key. Let's use metrics like accuracy and confusion matrix. Import metrics method. Evaluate predictions using test dataset. Accurate predictions and evaluation metrics lead the way. Conclusion. And there you have it, classification algorithms demystified. Whether it's logistic regression or decision trees, understanding their use cases, implementation, and evaluation is your ticket to data-driven decision-making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tutorials on mastering machine learning concepts. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.